So let's look at our third lesson in website planning and creation, that is choosing a domain name. So it is important that for us to choose a domain name and host our site. So we will be looking the availability about our domain in domainwheel.com. Post that, we will look at the process of buying a domain name in bigrock.com and hosting server bluejig.com. Now when you buy a domain name in bigrock.com and once the domain name has been purchased, you need to host it in bluejig.com. Why bluejig.com? See, as a starter plan, they have a very good startup plans wherein you can, the hosting services starts from 29 rupees and it can go up to based on your bandwidth and all. Now once you host it, bluejig.com will give you the name servers. That name servers needs to be attached with your domain name. So that will happen in the paid domain name. Now if you go to a free domain, that is we will be purchasing a free domain from profreehost.com and hosting in the same service provider. Now you need not have to, you can skip that step of taking the name servers from bluejig.com and putting it and linking it to the bigrock.com. That process will not be there because you have already purchased it from the profreehost.com. The name servers will automatically link to your domain. So I hope you are clear now. Let's look at a quick demo about it. But before that, if there is no availability about the business, if you look at, we choose a spa business. If there is no availability with regards to that keyword, you can always look at the other alternative keywords as well, like beauty parlors, like saloons, beauty parlor per woman. So let's look at the availability of our domain in domainwheel.com. So try and open it in the incognito mode. So domainwheel.com. So here you have this URL. Now check about your domain name. You can check for whatever beauty spa. Click on search domain. Now the availabilities are there. Now there you can see the info, and always please remember, it is always better to buy a domain name which is having .com. So beauty spa zone, yeah, but this comes with a paid amount. So let's look at what is the amount. So 2.95 per month. If you are willing to go ahead and buy it, you can click on get started now. You can buy it from here, or you can search your domain availability in bigrock.com. Let's look at bigrock.com. bigrock.com is where you will be. You can host in bigrock.com as well, but I prefer hosting it in bluejig.com. So there are certain amounts that is mentioned here. Now let's check beauty spa. So it's a premium domain which is costing you around 2,64,000. Basis on your budget, you can go ahead and book any of the domain. So beautyspa.in.net or beautyspa.co.in, beautyspallc.com. So you decide based on your pockets, but if you still want to go ahead and buy it online, always choose, I would recommend, it is better that you go ahead with a .com. If this is not available, you can look into a different aspects altogether or type in a keywords. Spa beauty, change in, try and check that if there is a possibility. And when you get any, see, this online is available if you go ahead and buy it, but when you buy it for 99 rupees and all, the renewal rate will be much more higher. So it is always better that you choose go ahead. I'm repeating it, please go ahead and choose with the .com wherever whatever the price that is quoted, or you can go ahead for the practice purpose. If you want to use it for the practice purpose, we have a free domain. Now once you purchase this, we need to host it in bluegeek.com. Bluegeek is the hosting server which I prefer, and to be very honest, my website is also posted on bluegeek.com. So why it is not coming in? Bluegeek hosting, yeah. So once you click on it, if you have already purchased a domain name, you can come in on this site and you can host your site here. Now once you host your site, the name servers will be given by the bluegeek.com on your email ID. So you have a difference here: standard, advanced and ultimate. Now if you click on the standard, see, it is starting from 25 rupees, and I would recommend you go ahead if you are purchasing a domain name and hosting it for the first time. Please try for 45 rupees. On an average, after all the taxes, it will come down to 49. So how many, what is that you will get 25 email address, cPanel powered 25 subdomains can be listed in this hosting. So there are this is how you can buy from Bluegeek hosting. Click on buy now option. You can go ahead and give your card details, then automatically the hosting will happen, and you will also get a free SSL certificate. Clear? Now if you are still, let's say, if you are not willing to buy it, you can always go ahead and purchase a free hosting in profreehost.com. Let's look at the process of buying it. So profreehost.com. So for this you need your email ID for registering yourself. Where is that? profreehost.com. Yeah, here it is. So you can register now. Click on it, give your email ID. I have my email ID which is already registered, but let me give my email ID and register myself again. So register. So it will ask you for the security details. So select all images with bridges, this one, this one and this one. So let's verify. So there will be certain ads, please ignore it. So can you see this accounts? Now we have got into this site, home and a client area. Come down here, free domain with blog hosting, looking for website provider. So started, here it is showing. So all these advertisements, please ignore it. So we would have got an activation email. So you need to go to your email ID and activate the account. Once you activate the account, then automatically you can come back here. Once you have activated your account, then let's refresh this page. So click on client area. So you have an option, create one. Already created this. Let me see. So let's go to the settings, so manage accounts. So you don't have an account, right? So let's create an idea, or you can check your profile whether your profile has been created in this site or not. So yes, this is done. So let's click on manage account and go and create a account for ourselves. There is no account, so create new account. So can you see? So beauty spa, BAUTY, beauty spa, anox.com. so it is available. So I'll go ahead and click on it, and again I need to verify. Select all images with fire hydrant. This one. Yeah. So let's click on this. All right. Now we have our domain, that is beautyspa.anox.com. Now the hosting is already been done. It is taking some time, so let it be. Let's go and click on manage, because it has to be hosted. You can also see the time that we have generated. So let's click on manage option. So it is creating a fresh page. After some time, account is under process, will be created. It generally takes hardly 5 to 10 minutes. Please wait for that, because the name servers needs to be generated. So even though if you click it, so automatically the name servers has been generated. So you don't have to be worried about it. So your account will be created shortly. So now the next step is that we have completed this process, free domain and profreehost.com, and hosting in the same service provider. So next step will be installing the WordPress, going to the cPanel. So we'll have to wait for the account to be created or activated in the profreehost.com. Once it is done, so wait for half an hour and it will be created. And once you create that, so let's go ahead and start our next lesson on website planning and creation. But before that, we will be looking at a graphic design. But for this particular point, let's close this lesson, that choosing domain name for the business. I hope any questions that you have, you can always write back. So to check the availability, if you are going for the paid version, you can go with the domainwheel.com, check for the pricing there, or you can go to bigrock.com and the hosting servers, that is bluejig.com. See, in all these platforms you can check for the availability as well as buy the hosting as well, buy and host as well. So but apart from that, we also have a free domain, that is profreehost.com, which is you can buy many domains as you like till you get the hands-on practice. The hosting will also be the same. So thank you very much for your time for this lesson. Let's look at let's meet in the next lesson. So thank you. Have a great day.